Morning, children. Are you all ready for today's EVS class? Very good. Take out your note. Put today's date. Children, you all wrote the second and third lesson last class, right? Do you all remember that? Did you all read and see it? You should read and see it then and there. Okay, children? Very good. Now put the heading as EVS. Lesson 4. My body needs care. My my body 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 needs 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 care care. Did you all write? Very good. Now write the heading hard words. HARD hard space words. WORDS hard words. Did you all write it, children? Number 1. Where will you put number 1? Before the red line. Very good. Number 1. Body. BODY body. BODY body. BODY body. Did you all write it, children? Next, second one. Clean. 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 Did you all write it? Next one, bath. 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 Next, fourth one, brush. 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 Next, fifth one, clothes. CLOTHS. Clothes. CLOTHS. Clothes. CLOTHS. Clothes. Next, sixth one, Where. W-E-A-R. Where. W-E-A-R. Where. W-E-A-R. Where. Did you all write this, children? First one, body. B-O-D-Y. Body. Second one, clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Third one, bath. B-A-T-H. Bath. Fourth one, brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Fifth one, cloths. C-L-O-T-H-S. Cloths. Sixth one, wear. W-E-A-R. Wear. Children, did you all write till this? Write it slowly and neatly. Okay? One after the other you have to write. Okay? Superb. Next. Seventh one, comb. C-O-M-B. Comb. C-O-M-B. Comb. C-O-M-B. Comb. C-O-M-B. Comb. Next. Eighth one, eat. E-A-T. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. Next. Ninth one, drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Next, last one, sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. So, seventh one, comb. C-O-M-B. Comb. Eighth one, eat. E-A-T. Eat. Ninth one, drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Tenth one, sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. So children, we have got 10 hard words in this lesson. In the before 2 lessons, you have got so many hard words, right? You have to boycott that and also this. When we ask you the spelling of any word, you should know to tell the spelling correctly. Okay? By heart everything. Okay? Very good. Next, we are going to write sentence and learn what is this. Children, while taking the class, I told you all this, right? You are going to write it in your note and keep it safe. You should read this. Whenever we ask you questions, you should know to answer. Okay? First one, to keep my body clean. To keep my body clean. To keep my body clean. To. T-O. To. Keep. K-E-E-P. Keep. My. M-Y. My. Body. B-O-D-Y, body. Clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean. Did you all write it, children? Next line, you write A before the red line and you write this after the red line. I must take a bath every day. I must take a bath every day. I must, M-U-S-T, must. Take, T-A-K-E, take. A, bath, B-A-T-H, bath. Every day, E-V-E-R-Y, D-A-Y, every day. Next one, B. I must brush my teeth every day. I must brush my teeth every day. I must, M-U-S-T, must. Brush, B-R-U-S-H, brush. My, M-Y, my. Teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Every day, E-V-E-R-Y, D-A-Y, every day. Next, C. I must wear clean clothes. I must wear clean clothes. I must wear clean clothes. I must, M-U-S-T, must. Wear, W-E-A-R, wear. Clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean. Clothes, C-L-O-T-H-S, clothes. Did you all finish till this, children? Write it slowly and neatly, okay? Next, D. I must comb my hair every day. I must comb my hair every day. I must, M-U-S-T, must. Comb, C-O-M-B, comb. My, M-Y, my. Hair, H-A-I-R, hair. Every day, E-V-E-R-Y-D-A-Y, every day. So children, I'm going to read it again. Just check whether you have written it correctly. First one, to keep my body clean. To keep my body clean. A. I must take a bath every day. I must take a bath every day. B. I must brush my teeth every day. I must brush my teeth every day. Next, C. I must wear clean clothes. I must wear clean clothes. D. I must comb my hair every day. I must comb my hair every day. Now we are going to write the second one. To keep my body healthy. Second one. To keep my body healthy. To keep my body healthy. 2. To keep. 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 My. My. Body. 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 Healthy. 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 First one, A. I must eat well and drink water. I must eat well and drink water. I must eat well and drink water. I must. Must eat. Eat well. Well and and drink. Drink water. Water. B. I must play every day. I must. Must play. Play every day. Every day. Next, C. I must sleep well. I must sleep well. I must. Must sleep. Sleep well. Well. Did you all write this, children? To keep my body healthy. To keep my body healthy. A. I must eat well and drink water. I must eat well and drink water. B. I must play every day. I must play every day. C. I must sleep well. I must sleep well. Children, till this we are completing our fourth lesson. Okay? Write everything neatly and write slowly. If you have any doubt, pause the video, look into the video and write it, children. Write neatly, okay? Don't make any mistake. If you have made any mistake, rub it neatly and write. Okay? Very good. Next, you have something interesting. What is it? Yes, EVS project. So children, you will do this project in a A4 sheet and you should keep it safe. Okay? What will be the project? Anyone can guess? You are going to draw a human body or you can stick. If you get it in stores, you can stick. If you know to draw, you can draw a body and you have to name its part. Okay? We have learned, right? Eyes, nose, mouth and all we have learned, right? Like that, you are going to draw and name the parts of the body. Like this, you have to name. Okay? Draw a human body like this and label the parts. Okay? You have to do it neatly, children. Do the project work in the A4 sheet and keep it safe. Keep it very safe, children. All the notes, whatever you have written, and the project work should be safe with you all the time. Whenever you get time, take out the note and study. Okay? Don't waste time. Allot some time for reading also. If you have read it, you can write and see everything. You can write and see whenever you learn so that you can remember it very well. When you just read, you cannot remember. If you write and see, you can remember. Okay? Read well and be safe. Thank you.